Hey guys, it's Paul. Just a quick update. Everybody should have been invited to the Zoho One Club or the Z1 Club. I'm probably not allowed to call it Zoho One, so I'm just going to start off the back by calling it the Z1 Club. Everything in the Zoho One forum, the Z1 Club forum, is you'll have an invite in your inbox. If you haven't, send me a message and send me an email with your teams. If you've got more than one user on Zoho One, then they all get access to this. They all get access to the Facebook group as well. So what I've got is a forum, a private forum. If you're not logged in, nobody can see it. It's a private place where you're secure to ask your questions. And then there's a category for every Zoho One app, which clearly there's a lot of them. So as I start doing introduction videos to all these different apps, I'll add them in there, and you can add questions to specific areas, and we'll jump in and help. I want you to connect with each other. I'm going to add more categories for what you guys do for a living. What's your business? And you can pitch some ideas to each other, get people talking. But this is a private place where it's going to go deeper than the Facebook forum, the Facebook group, because there's just too much information into this. It's going to be a 2-year, 3-year thing now, where it's just going to build and build and build. But people are going to ask the same questions in 2 months' time as they did today, and it's going to be easier to find the answers and join into that discussion and find out what's the best practices in Zoho One in a bigger forum. The Facebook group's great. Come and join the Facebook group. If you haven't got an invite to that, then let me know, or I'll send you a link. I'll put a link in the description below if you're watching on YouTube. But the Facebook group can be great for quick discussions and a quick place to get to know each other, and quick updates on there's a new video. But the Z1 Club forum is going to be a much bigger, in-depth place for you to get training and your questions answered. All right, so don't be shy, dive in. If you haven't got your invite, email me, and if you've got team members that are on your subscription, let me know, and I will send them invites too. All right, losing my voice. Cheers guys, have a great week.